Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos. So we have already discussed in my previous video that in the poem A Bird Came Down the poem begins with the speaker describing a bird she sees. She is close by, making it so that she can look at the bird, but it does not immediately notice her. From where she is situated, she sees the bird pick up an angleworm and bite it in half. So the bird is unaware that it was being watched. The bird ate an angleworm and then drank a dew from a convenient grass and then hopped. Hopped means jumped sidewise to the wall. The bird jumped from one side of the wall to let a beetle pass so that a beetle can pass. He glanced with rapid eyes. Glanced means look quickly at something. Rapid means movement of the bird's eyeball. So the bird moves her eyeball. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. The bird hurried too quickly, look all over the place. All abroad means all over the place. The bird looked quickly all over the place. They look like frightened beasts. The poet thought that her eyes looked like frightened beasts. The bird is very much scared. He stirred his velvet head. He moved slightly its soft head like one in danger, cautious. Like the bird is in danger and it became very cautious. I offered him a crumb, means dry piece of bread. The poet offered the bird dry piece of bread and he unrolled his feathers. But the bird did not take the dry piece of bread and it unrolled his feathers and brought him softer home. Then words divide the ocean. Actually, the bird's wing carry him more softly than words that deep into the ocean. 2 silver for a seam. The bird's effortless movement means the bird very effortlessly move from one place to another and its movement is more soft than words that deep into the ocean. Words means long pole steering a boat. So the bird's wing carry him more softly than the long pole steering a boat that deep into the ocean. Or butterflies of banks of noon means the butterfly in the afternoon. Leap, splash, lace as they swim. The flight of the bird is softer than even the splashless swimming of the butterflies. Hope that you understand the poem. Thank you for watching my video.